If you're planning a trip to Europe, chances are you've already come across the term Schengen Visa. But what exactly is Schengen Visa? Which countries does it cover? And what should you know before you even start to apply? In this video, I'll explain the Schengen Visa in simple and clear way so you understand the basics and can avoid common mistakes before applying. A Schengen Visa is a short-term visa that allows you to travel freely across multiple European countries using a single visa. Instead of applying for separate visas for different countries, the Schengen Visa lets you move between participating countries without border checks, just like domestic travels. This visa is usually issued for short-term stays, meaning you can stay in the Schengen area for up to 90 days within 180 days period. It's mainly used for tourism, visiting family or friends, short business trips, or attending events and exhibitions. The Schengen area includes most European countries such as France, Germany, Italy, Switzerland, Spain, the Netherlands, and many others. Once you enter one Schengen country, you can usually travel to the other Schengen countries without needing additional visas as long as your visa is valid. That's why choosing the correct country to apply through is very important. One of the most common questions is where to apply for a Schengen visa. You should apply through the country that is your main destination. This usually means the country where you'll spend the most time during your trip. If you're spending an equal number of days in multiple countries, then you apply through the country where you'll enter the Schengen area first. Applying through the wrong country is one of the most common reasons applications get delayed or rejected. If you're a UAE resident with a valid residence visa, you can apply for a Schengen visa from within the UAE. However, approval depends on several factors including your nationality, your residence status, your employment or business profile, your financial situation, and the purpose of your travel. Each application is reviewed individually by the embassy or consulate of the country you're applying through. Before applying, it's important to understand that Schengen visas are also very document focused. You'll need a valid passport with sufficient validity and blank pages along with your UAE residence visa. You'll be required to submit a completed visa application form, recent photographs, and travel medical insurance that meets Schengen requirements. A clear travel itinerary is essential. This includes your flight plans, accommodation details, and the overall structure of your trip. Financial documents are required to show that you can support yourself during the stay. And employment or business documents help demonstrate your ties to the UAE. Missing or inconsistent documents are one of the biggest reasons for refusal, so preparation is key. There are a few important rules that many applicants overlook. First, the 90 days rule. Even if you have a multiple entry visa, you cannot stay more than 90 days within 180-day period. Second, having a Schengen visa does not automatically guarantee entry. Immigration officers at the airport can still ask questions about your trip. And third, submitting fake bookings or misleading information can result in refusal and may affect future visa applications. Some common mistakes include unclear travel plans, weak financial proof, applying through the wrong embassy, or assuming that past visas guarantee approval. Another mistake is applying too late. Schengen visas should ideally be applied for well in advance of your travel date. Before you apply, make sure your travel plan is realistic and matches your documents. Your financial documents should comfortably support your travel duration, not just meet the minimum requirement. Most importantly, be honest and consistent throughout your application. Even small discrepancies can raise red flags. In the coming videos, we'll be covering each Schengen country individually, going through their specific visa requirements, documents, and application process so you can understand everything in detail based on the country you're applying to. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple and honest visa information.